In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube or other videos not playing on Edge. So here are a couple troubleshooting techniques. So firstly, open up your Edge, click on the three dots on your top right here, and then go to settings, click on settings. And from settings here on the left side menu here, scroll down and click on about Microsoft Edge and see if there is any updates on your Microsoft Edge. If there is an update, just simply update your browser because a simple update can fix up most of the issues at most times. Okay, do that. Once that's done, next step two, what you can do in your address bar here, okay, type in edge dot edge semicolon double slash extensions, okay, and go to the extensions tab here because sometimes certain extensions can block the video playback. So what you can do, you're gonna go and turn off all these extensions. Whatever you'll see all these installed extensions, just toggle the switch, turn it off. Okay, step two. And then next, what we can do, go to your again onto your three dots here on your top right, go to settings again, okay, and then click on your left side menu, privacy, search and services, click on clear browsing data. Okay, this is to clear your browsing data and cache and everything. So just click on clear browsing data or individually click on this clear browsing data, okay, and then just delete. Okay, you can choose what you want to delete or you can simply delete all. Okay, so clear the data. And next, once that's done, so next what we're going to do is you're going to go to your settings again. So when you're back to your settings page here, so if you go to your settings, okay, and your left side menu here, you will see there is an option called reset settings. Click on reset settings and try to reset your Edge settings because there might be some misconfigured issues that causing these video playback issue. So you can like fix that up by resetting it. So click on reset to do that. Okay, and once that's done, so next thing what we're going to do, again go back to settings here on your settings page here. So go to this privacy and search again. All right, and then you will see there is an option called cookies there. Okay, click on cookies. Okay, and sometimes you might have to enable these, check for these block third-party cookies. If it's turned off, try to turn it on because some sites maybe they require these in order to play without issue. So you can try to turn these on and see if that fixes up the issue. If it does, then that's the issue. Otherwise you can just come back and just block this, turn it off. That's fine. Next tip, okay, on your settings here, again on your settings on your left side here, click on system and performance. Okay, under system and performance, click on system, and here if you use this option graphics acceleration when available, okay, try to turn these off, okay, and see if that's causing an issue. So try to turn these off and see if it fixes up the issue. Then you can just turn this graphic acceleration off. Okay, and then next what we're going to do is you're going to go to this page here. So again on your settings option, go to your privacy and services here. Okay, when you go to your privacy and services here, click on this security option here. When you click on the security option here, scroll down and see if you have these your Microsoft security network, if it's turned on. Because sometimes maybe this might turning these off, it might like cause an issue. So try to like turn on, like if it's already turned on, try to turn it off and see if that fixes up the issue. Okay, try to disable all these say Microsoft securities, okay, network security. Just turn that off and see if that fixes up the issue. And the next what we're going to do is on your Edge here, just type in again Edge semicolon double slash and type in flags. Okay, just type in flags and then go to these flagged pages because sometimes these flagged pages might causing an issue. So in that case, what you can do, try to reset them also. Go to the Edge flags page here on your address bar, hit on reset all. Okay, and once that's done, then finally what another thing that you can do is go to your device manager on your computer, type in device manager and go to your device manager, and then once you're on your device manager here, open up your graphics card. So click on your display adapter here and then see if your graphics card is updated. Okay, so click on your graphics card, right click it and hit on update driver and then update it because sometimes your graphics card might have caused the issue as well. So these are the ways how you can fix up this issue. Hope this helps.